CapCut, no internet connection or network error, problem fixed forever, full solution in simple steps. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So just like always, let's start from the beginning. First of all, go to the bottom left search bar and type VPN. After searching, you'll see the VPN settings option at the top. Sometimes using a VPN can fix CapCut's no internet error if it's caused by region restrictions or block servers. Inside the VPN settings, click on Add a VPN connection. On the VPN setup page, you'll need to fill out some settings. VPN provider means the service or app you're using to create the VPN connection. Click here and select Windows built-in. Next is connection name. This is just a custom label, so you can recognize your VPN later. You can choose any name you like, server name or address. This is the location, like an IP or web address of the VPN server you want to connect to. For this, open your browser and search for VPN Gate. Click on the first website, scroll down, and you'll see many server names from different countries. Copy any server name you like and paste it into the server name box. VPN type. This is the method your VPN will use to connect securely, like PPTP, L2TP, SSTP, IKF2. Make sure to choose SSTP. Type of sign-in info. This is how you'll log in to the VPN, such as using a username and password, smart card, certificate, or one-time password. Here, select username and password. Again, go back to your browser, and at the top you'll find the login details. Usually, the username is VPN, and the password is also VPN. After entering the username and password, click Save. Now your VPN has been created. Press Connect to start your new VPN. Once the VPN is turned on, close CapCut and open it again. Now check, it's working fine, no more error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.